we are going to talk about our very first chapter in second term. These are animal tissues. Second term में मनुष्य ज़्यादा पान physiology deal करें तो सारी खुद body chapter या फिर इस काम करो. These are animal tissues. So let us start with animal tissues. First of all, let us talk about the term tissue. Tissue. I should pata gobur kiye tissue hasa chu cell group. Previous definition yes, tissue was that was a group of cells that have a same origin. Cell subgroup human origin is same, structure is same, function is same. That was previously called as tissue. तमिक मतलब को प्राइम biologists is manan tissue has a go cell and subgroup which have the same origin, which have the same structure, which have the same function. मगर तम पता आई कि tissue was वुश्न तक मज़ा वुश्नी कि cell and चुन same structure आसान के. For example, blood is a tissue. Blood as मंशी cell मसलन WBCs RBCs platelets. यम साथ WBCs च विचान तिमन च अलग स्ट्रक्चर, RBCs च अलग स्ट्रक्चर, प्लेटलेट च अलग स्ट्रक्चर. So consequently, modern biology छन believe करन कि टिश्यूस मंज यम सेल आसन तिमन आसी same structure. ऐसे आज वनन tissue is a group of cells that have same origin. Cell subgroup यमन origin are same and such a structure in order to perform a common function. That means modern biology manche believe karan ekis tissues manz yem cell asan timanas origin the function same, structure heke asit same ya hek ne asit same. So modern definition for tissues is that tissue is a group of cells that have the same origin and such a structure that helps them to perform a common function. Now beta, the branch of biology that deals with the study of tissues is called histology. Branch of biology that deals with the study of tissues is called histology. Besides that, word tissue was first of all coined by Bichette. So, before we start with histology, we have to remember three terms. Number first, tissue. Tissue is a group of cells that have the same origin and such a structure that helps them to perform a common function. Number two, branch of biology that deals with the study of tissues is called histology. Number three, the very first biologist who coined the term tissue, his name was Bichette. Now, so far as animal tissues are concerned, animal body manche tsoran qisman him tissues asa. There are four kinds of tissues present in the animal body. Number first type of tissue is called epithelial tissue. Number second kind of tissue is called connective tissue. Number third kind of tissue is called muscular tissue. Number fourth and last kind of tissue is called nervous tissue. So there are four kinds of tissues inside the animal body. We have got epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. अगर इस body में क्या के part निमो या से नमन चौरन किस्म के tissue बन बने. So first of all, you see epithelial tissue चु अगर इस surface we have named epithelial tissue, which epithelial tissue is that kind of tissue which covers. Emis काम आसान covering करे. ये body organ नेबर किन cover करा या body organ अंदर किन cover करा. So tissue use body हिंदर organ cover कर तापमानो epithelial tissue. Number second kind of tissue, connective tissue. Connective tissue is that kind of tissue which connects the body organs together. Body manzas kanti tissue use body hinder baki pattern common rely. That tissue is called connective tissue. Muscular tissue go kashir part muscle mass. Otherwise, it is that kind of tissue which constitutes the basic bulk of the body. It is that kind of tissue which is responsible for body movements. The nervous tissue is tissue use three functions to carry: conduction, coordination, and control. So far as animal body is concerned, there are four kinds of tissues present in the animal body. Number first is epithelial tissue, number second is connective tissue, number third is muscular tissue, number fourth is nervous tissue. Agar bh pani body mein kah part niman, it will be made up of these kinds of tissues. For example, consider my hand. Means athas chu pet ki muscle. That means it is epithelial tissue. Muscles talken use mass chu, that is muscular tissue. And but use athas mas blood chu, bones chu, these are connective tissue. But use nervous network as athas under that constitutes nervous tissue. Once again, first kind of tissue is epithelial tissue, second kind of tissue is connective tissue, then muscular tissue, then nervous tissue. What we have to do, we have to take all these tissues one by one and discuss them. Actinum tissues, ecectolin, the type of type is the example is side cut. So first of all, to learn this very first kind of epithelial tissue, this is called epithelial tissue. So better guess if you important terms should note that. So let us start with epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. So far as term epithelial is concerned, word epithelial is a combination of two words. Number first, epi. Epi means upon. And thelia. Thelia means to grow. So, Sarikot Godnish Kachi epithelial tissue was it is that kind of tissue which grows upon other tissues. So, tissue use baki tissue and pattern to grow kara. That kind of tissue is called epithelial tissue. It is that kind of tissue which grows upon other kinds of tissues. Number 2 important kachi epithelial tissue was word epithelia was first of all coined by Ruch. The biologist who coined the word epithelia, his name was Ruch. Epithelial tissue was coordinate described biologist, this was now Ruch. And but three important character. Prakwini tissue was fundamental characters asan. Filhal chase epithelial tissue was pet kaat karan. Is karan epithelial tissue can character and pet kaat. Three important character epithelial tissue was epithelial tissue is that kind of tissue which has the primary function of covering. It covers. It covers whole of the body externally, as well as it covers body organs internally. Epithelial tissue was a basic covering. You should search body never kinte cover kara. You should body organ individually under kinte cover kara. For example, agar is spanning body pneumon, sari body yes never kin covering skin, muscle. It is epithelial tissue. But agar internal organs which for example, agar to liver asu ushmut, cranmas asu ushmut, tachu vathan zervil del pyat. Use cranmas as zervil del chu pyat kain vathan, that is the epithelial tissue of the liver. Yethan but agar is kante body organ nimon, take the case of kidney. Kidney use zervil covering chasan pyat kain, that is the epithelial tissue of the kidney. One look matlab chi ki epithelial tissue chuna body sirif externally yot cover karan ke. It covers the body organs individually. It covers body organs internally as well. Acha, important character chi epithelial tissue was although any fundamental function chi covering, but at places it performs some other functions as well. Which baki kind karan, although any basic covering, मगर बॉडी हिंजन कैंसर पार्टन मन फर्दर ती फंक्शंस कर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर इस विचो टेस्टिस द ओवरी अंदर कैन यूज इपीथेलियल टिश्यू छु नंबर फर्स्ट कर सु कवरिंग नंबर सेकंड बनाए सु गैमेट्स अगर इस नेफ्रॉनन हिंद इपीथेलियल टिश्यू विचो नंबर फर्स्ट कर सु कवरिंग नंबर सेकंड कर सु एब्जॉर्प्शन इंटेस्टाइन हिंद इपीथेलियल टिश्यू कवरिंग ति करन एब्जॉर्प्शन ति करन elementary canal हिंद इपीथेलियल टिश्यू कवरिंग ति करन सेक्रीशन ति करन तमिक मतलब फ्लो सर्टिस मन थावस याद फंडामेंटल फंक्शन चे इपीथेलियल टिश्यू बस कवरिंग मगर कैंसर प्लेसन पे चे इपीथेलियल टिश्यू कवरिंग अलाव बेति के सेकेंडरी फंक्शंस करन अडेन जाइन चे सेक्रीशन करन अडेन जाइन चे एब्जॉर्प्शन करन अडेन जाइन चे gametes बनावन and so on but remember primary function of the epithelial tissue is covering beta बेथेयो एकलेट ध्यान we are talking about the number first kind of tissue present in the human body or present in the animal body this is called epithelial tissue word epithelium it is a combination of two words epi and thelia epi means upon thelia means to grow so epithelial tissue is that kind of tissue which grows upon other kinds of tissues within the body very first character about the epithelial tissue is that it grows upon other tissues of the body number second the biologist who coined the word epithelia his name was Ruch number third important character of the epithelial tissue is that it is fundamental function is covering but apart from covering it also performs multiple functions at multiple places and remember one more thing epithelial tissue chhone sirf body nebir kini yot cover karan ke balki issue body organ internally under ki body organs prat kuni body organs se pani cover now let us talk about some other characters of epithelial tissue another important character of epithelial tissue is that every tissue is made up of cells epithelial tissue is also made up of cells but in case of epithelial tissue the cells are closely packed epithelial tissue ch cellan hun baniyomut magar epithelial tissue was mans yim cell ch yim ch asan akh ekis nazdik yim sab cells asan closely packed तमिक मतलब को सेलन दरमियान यस इंटरसेल्युलर स्पेस च साइसी या तो वारिया कम न ताइस एब्सेंट most important character of epithelial tissue is that in case of epithelial tissue the cells are very closely packed so the intercellular space in between the cells is either minimum or it is completely absent अच्छा गोबर ब्याक character हसा च epithelial tissue वसी के ये मासा epithelial cell च they always rest upon a basement membrane epithelial tissue च cells च तलकन चकिस तलकन अख membrane आसान अख membrane च इस वनान basement membrane epithelial tissue च cell च हमेशा rest करन अकिस foundation पे that foundation is called basement membrane it can also be called as basal lamina you can also call it as stratum basale पूरे थे सा गोबर ध्यान epithelial tissue च cell च closely packed the cell च हमेशा rest करन upon a basement membrane यस basement membrane च आसान it is not a component of epithelial tissue instead it is derived from connective tissue epithelial tissue च cell च हमेशा rest करन basement membrane पे मगर यस basement membrane च आसान ये च आसान derived from connective tissue another important character of epithelial tissue is that epithelial tissue is devoid of blood vessels वन मतलब छु ये कि epithelial tissue was मन blood vessel आसान के epithelial tissue was पानी direct blood vascular supply आसान के blood vessels छुन इजाजत epithelial tissue was मन आसनस के now the question arises अगर epithelial tissue was पानी vascular supply छन किहिन Then how come do these cells get oxygen? Yim kit pach oxygen hasil karan, yim kit pach panun carbon dioxide the excretory wastes loss karan. Yim cell kit pach panun nutrients hasil karan. The answer to this question is that yes, basement membrane chasan, it is richly vascularized. Epithelial tissue is chan panun vascular supply ken. मगर epithelial tissue यस तलकन basement membrane च connective tissue पे derive गमस ताच आसान वारिया असल blood vascular supply. So consequently materials should diffuse गसान from basement membrane towards the upper cells of the epithelial tissue. Direct blood vessel चुन epithelial tissue वसमंस बासान के. Another important character of the epithelial tissue is that the cells of epithelial tissue have good nerve supply. Good nerve supply. Agar epithelial tissue was blood vascular supply chan kien, magar nerve supply chan efficient asa. Nerves hakan vasit epithelial tissue asman, magar blood vessels hakan na vasit kien. Yet another character of the epithelial tissue is that epithelial tissue has the highest rate of proliferation. Rate of proliferation. By proliferation we mean division. Epithelial tissue is tamam tissue man sari khod zyada power of division. Epithelial tissue chi cell hakan multiply karit at an enormous rate. Huge power of division, nachu connective tissue, nachu muscular tissue, nervous tissue, chine power of division. Sari khod highest power of division ch epithelial tissue. This is the reason ki yim epithelial tissue with cancer these are most common. For example, ashe pata ki cancer hasa go increase the uncontrolled division of cells. Cancer and chipat qism, maslan carcinomas yel epithelial cell and cancer gay. Sarcomas yel muscular cell and ya connective tissue cell and cancer gay. Out of all types of cancers, carcinomas type of cancers are most common. Yim kya chhe zyada common, because epithelial cell and chip got the highest rate of proliferation. Clear time. So the cells of epithelial tissue, they have the highest rate of proliferation. Acha beta, byak character to epithelial tissue was epithelial tissue is the kind of tissue, only kind of tissue that can get produced from any germinal layer. Epithelial tissue heke quinty germinal layer pe paad gais. That means can epithelial tissue is ectoderm pe paad gasan, can epithelial tissue is endoderm pe paad gasan, can epithelial tissue is mesoderm pe paad gasan. Kuhan tissue chunu su usan tranvio germinal layer pe ek paad gasan. This specialty is only and only honored by epithelial tissue. It can originate, some of them originate from ectoderm, some of them from endoderm, some of them from mesoderm. Let's have a quick revision as kya pucha. Beta, we first of all introduce tissues. So far as tissue is concerned, it is in the modern terminology, it is the group of cells that have the same origin and such a structure that helps them to perform a common function. The study of tissues is done under histology. बेटा तो अश्वा समझवा अच्छा ये मंशा म्यूट है हेलो आवाज नहीं आ रही तेरे कित पर चुप बोलना तेरे कित पर चुप होना ये सर
इश्तिमान थोड़े लेट चिमन आवाज लेट
या ची नेटस प्रॉब्लम आज ची नेट डाउन तवे ची ये गसन ची नेटस प्रॉब्लम
Masih panen audio bandas macam apa ini?
Audio ची थोमत audio बंद तवे ची न तो ये मन
बेटा तो इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं वाना तेरी join audio इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं वाना
या कोई audio सवाल जवाब है कोई
आपचे बंद के खसान ऑप्शन आप join audio
ये मचा
Yes sir.
तो इस पर करो तो क्लिक तक कॉल विया डिवाइस हार्ड सो करो तो क्लिक तो चल पाएंगे
सर ये आवाज ब्रेक आता
नेट प्रॉब्लम है नेट प्रॉब्लम है
That's a net down part.
सर अच्छी आवाज आ रही है हमें
ना ऑडियो पास नेट
ना ताइसु तोहे net down तो बन के बन अच्छा गोबर आज क्या पोड आज तब कोई रिवीजन करियो आज क्या पोड
epithelial tissues
आज कर introduce animal tissues animal body मस कसन किस्मन हिम tissue
सर
four types very good first of all tulais epithelial tissue what was the name of biologist who coined the word epithelia
root
very good name of biologist who coined the word epithelia was Roach yim asa epithelial tissues chi yimon chu godnik character ye ki yim chi grow karan upon other kinds of tissues what is the fundamental function of epithelial tissue
सर शोर आ रहा है
what is the basic function of epithelial tissue
covering
covering magar covering chhan only function of epithelial tissue ke covering alav chi epithelial tissue bedi ke kaam karan alag alag jaye acha what about the arrangement of cells in epithelial tissue was
closely packed
closely packed what about intercellular space either it is absent
or completely absent
or either it is absent or it is very small अच्छा epithelial tissue छ एकस membrane पे rest करन ता क्या बना basement membrane छ epithelial tissue was पानी membrane
no sir
ये कत पे छ derive गसन
connective tissue
connective tissue पे very good अच्छा दोयो चीजों में कुछ चीज करियो तो imagine epithelial tissue was मन छ बसान blood or nerve blood vessel or nerve epithelial tissue was shall following vascular supply आसान के epithelial tissue ची cell कत पे छानन following nutrients etc
basal plate
basement membrane पे very good what about the power of division of epithelial tissue highest power of division very good beta अच्छा what about the origin of epithelial tissue कमी लेयर पे गैस पर शाबाश गोबर ये है कि कुंती जर्माइनल लेयर पे पाद गसित ये स्पेशलिटी छन बाकी कांसे टिश्यूज आज के फिलहाल इंट्रोडक्शन आज के ये सुबह करो इस कोशिश यम चीज करेक्ट करने मतलब नेट प्रॉब्लम बाकी चीज यम करो इस